Red Lion by Dawn Tigox MacGregor-Bromfield. Driving to work on a day when I was in autopilot mode, I heard the murmur of the lion behind me. As I focused on the laughter of the radio announcer, the lion roared louder and distracted me. The roar of the lion became constant. I had company escorting my car for sure. I glanced in my right side mirror, silenced all the radio sounds, and I wanted more. A young, hot cheetah riding the steaming red lion. I could no longer see the upcoming street as the red lion kept pace with my heart that was pumping harder than a tigress in heat. The tattoos that oozed from his sleeves connected with the rush of blood to my head. The red lion moved to a leading position. The cheetah turned to face me instead. The lion moving forward, the cheetah facing back. I was elevated from the driving position. My entire libido was now slack. His eyes cut through the windscreen directly to my soul. To get my undivided attention was his ultimate goal. I then recognized his eyes. We both started to smile. For the journey he took me on, he would never know it was agile. The red lion took off into the morning wind, leaving a trail of a dreaming tigress. This haunted me for weeks after. Visions of a lot more than a caress.